How to add the file and folders to your home screen. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So watch this video till the very end. You can also add the files and folders to the home screen from your Google Drive. So firstly, open the Google Drive and to the any folder that you want to add to the home screen, tap on the three vertical dots. Now tap on add to home screen and this very file will be added to the home screen and you can shortcutly get it whenever you want to without opening the drive. The next one is go to your Google browser and search for the ES File Explorer for Android. Tap on this very application and then install it on your device. After you install it and choose any files, just tap on the three vertical dots and add it on the very home screen. You can add the downloads, music or anything bigger files in your home screen as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.